you will never cry for traffic again after watching this particular video, except you're not willing to set this particular tool up for your own website, application, or business. All right, so in this particular video I'm going to be showing you how I was able to get over 10k organic audience, and the click-through rate on each of these notifications we send out every single time is over 81%. The name of this tool right here is OneSignal, and a lot of you know about this tool, but you don't really know what this particular tool can do for you. I'm going to be expressing this particular tool that makes getting web traffic much more easier. I'm going to be showing you how this particular tool works and how you can actually set it up for yourself. But before we get started, let me quickly explain how this tool works. All right, so this OneSignal is a web push platform which is going to simply help you get more subscribers to your website, okay, to your application, to your e-commerce store, or to any business of your choice. All right, as you already know, if you depend only on email marketing for your business, for your website, for your application, some of your email will be on people's inbox and spam folders without them opening it, okay? But this one right here is going to simply trigger people to open each of your notification as long as they are subscribed to you. So this notification is not going to people that are not subscribed to you. We are not violating any policy. This is going to people that have already subscribed. So if 10,000 people or 50,000 people end up subscribing and you made a blog post today on your website, automatically that blog post is going to simply go to all of them. All right, even if you don't want to make a blog post and you want to share your video that you've already published on YouTube, all you need to do is simply come over to this section that says push and you send it out to them, which I'm going to be showing you how to do in this very video. Okay, so first thing first, you need to actually get your account created on this very platform. Go to your browser and you search for OneSignal. All right, click on this one right here that says OneSignal customer engagement platform for email, push notification, and a lot more. Okay, so this platform right here has a lot for you. Create your account by clicking on this section that says get started right now. Okay, simply go ahead and sign up your account with your Google account or your email address. All right, once you're signed up, then click on this section that says log into your account. So this one right here, I set this up for only me, John Francis website. Okay, and we got over 10k subscribers with just that. Okay, all right, so once you're in this organization section right here, all you need to do right now is simply go ahead and click on this. Since I want to add another website, what I need to do is simply click on this new organization. Then I have to simply go ahead and add the name of the organization. Let's say I want to use Padded Vibe right now for this. All right, then click on this button right here, copy this particular URL, then come back to your new organization. First of all, add the website right here. Okay, it's very much important. Then once you have that in place, then select associate apps. All right, so I'm going to simply be leaving it and click on create organization. To get started right now, all you need to do is simply click on this add new app. Simply add your signal right here, add the name, let's say Padded Vibes. Okay, what organization should it belong to? We can actually select Padded Vibes. Okay, that's what we want. And also select your first channel. Your first channel should be on web browser only. Remember, email is there, so we're going to be selecting the web section right here, which means any browser of your choice. If you click on this more option, you're going to see more options right here for Windows, Mac OS, Chrome extension, and a lot of that. Okay, so select this and click on the next configuration button. Select the WordPress plugin. All right, then scroll down a little bit, select WordPress from here. Okay, then under this particular section, you have to make sure you add your website name. Okay, then once you add it, remove .com and also remove this protocol right here. Then add your site URL, which is the first thing we added. All right, then make sure you add auto resubscribe. Okay, add image or paste the URL of the image right here. So I'm going to be selecting this video one right here. Okay, so this is Padded Vibes logo right here. So click on this open button. I'm going to be uploading it right here. Okay, so click on upload. Okay, so it has been added on this very, you can see right here the tiny button right here has been added. For this section that says push notification, you can add anything. You can see this is how it's gonna simply look like. This is the preview of the Chrome version of it. Okay, so Padded Vibe, thanks for subscribing. That's when people subscribe. Okay, so you can add right. So if you want to add something else, you can add a link to this. Okay, and add it right here. Okay, you can enable webhook. Okay, but it's optional for now. I don't really recommend doing that. Okay, so the next thing you need to do right now is simply go ahead and click on the save button. All right, so this is the final configuration. You have to install the WordPress plugin for this to actually work for you, right? So if your website has been fully developed by my team, you can actually get this done for yourself. Okay, you are 100% qualified to use this. Okay, if you don't have a website for this, and if you want a website to be developed for you, monetized for you, join us on our Telegram channel. My team are going to simply help you with that. Okay, the next you need to do is simply log into your website just like this one right here, and the next you need to do is simply go to the plugin section from here, then click on add new plugin, then search for OneSignal. Okay, so you can see why this is the plugin right here, OneSignal web push notification and all of that. Okay, so they have over 70,000 people using this already. Okay, so the last update was 5 days ago. This plugin is 100% active and they are all maintaining it. They're adding new features every single day. All right, so click on this section that says install now. So click on the activate button, allow it to load. And remember, these subscribers are going to simply help with your Adsterra Monetag and affiliate impressions and all of that. Okay, so come over to this section right here, scroll down a bit, go to OneSignal, click on it. Okay, scroll down a little bit. Remember, we got some app ID and API key. You have to make sure you secure this for yourself. All right, then let's copy the app ID first, then go back here, then add the app ID here. Good, it has been marked as good. All right, so copy the API key, come back here and paste it right here. Okay, automatically send the notification when a post is published. All right, select that. When it is updated, select that. And this one right here for page, forget about that for page. Okay, then also click on this send notification for mobile subscribers. All right, then click on save settings. All right, then fall back to this very section right here, this finish button. The configuration has been added already, then click on finish button. Okay, you can see it is now active. All right, so after setting this up, the next you need to do is to actually start producing your content, just your normal content. Okay, something that will bring people to your website. Okay, remember, when people visit your website for the first time or maybe anytime, they can actually get one particular notification that says subscribe to push notification. Okay, so once they get that particular notification, automatically they will be subscribed to your push notification. All right, and with this particular strategy, you can actually get more subscribers to your website. Okay, so if you have up to 10,000 subscribers on this very platform, then you are good to go. Right, each time you publish a post or you publish a product, you can actually get more recurring visitors. Apart from sending notification each time you make a post on your website, you can actually automate things manually on this very section. Okay, for instance, if I click on this section that says push, right, and I click on this new push, okay, let's say for instance I made a video and I want people to know about that particular video, like I can actually click on this button right here and click on share, then click on copy. Okay, remember you've already copied the YouTube link and you come back here. So I recommend going with a blank one so that you can actually customize it. Here, click on this section that says blank one, then click on next, then add the name of your push. You can see why this is how it's going to simply look like on people's browser. Okay, so you can add your title of your video right here. The image of your notification. Let's say I want to add image from here. I can select this, I can click on OK. You can see how it looks like. Okay, like this should be the thumbnail of this particular video. Okay, but because I don't have the thumbnail on my laptop, I'm going to be using this image, so you already know what I'm trying to do. All right, so you can see we're going to simply be selecting where this is going to simply go to. You can see this is going to simply go to Apple Web. You're going to simply go to Edge, that is Microsoft. It's going to go to Mozilla Fire. It's going to simply go to other platforms like any other browser. Okay, so that's basically how this thing is going to simply help you spread your news and also spread whatever thing you're trying to promote. Okay, so you just click on this section that says review and send. I'm holding my phone because I'm already subscribed. Okay, so I'm going to be sending this right now. You can send it right now. Let's allow it to load. Message has been sent successfully. Let's check my mobile phone. You can see automatically I'm going to screenshot it. Okay, I'm going to screenshot it. This is the message, right? So if I click on this particular browser right here, if I click on this mobile phone right now, automatically this is going to simply take me to YouTube. Just watch closely. You can see right here, that's taking me to YouTube just from here. This is basically how this thing works. Okay, so e-commerce store sells. So this is basically how you can actually set up this automation for yourself and build up your subscribers even without having to stress yourself about email and all of that. Okay, so if you found this helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channel for Pilot Vibes Academy. See you in the next one.